This is your Weather Authority forecast.
Well, this time of the year, many of us humans like to enjoy Oktoberfest. Now, as far as our canine companions go, Dogtoberfest. And this was the scene earlier this morning on the west side of Madison in Middleton. This was the tail wagging competition, as we reported on earlier this evening, just a few moments ago. And you can see the judge here going around just trying to get footage of all the wonderful, happy little canines out there. A beautiful day as far as this goes. And I mean, look at this guy. Look at the Great Dane in the background. That is Winston there. I'm 6'7". He comes up to my waist. That's how big that dog is. As far as the weather headlines go, mild evening tonight, cooler for your Sunday, and a mild start to October. So if you like this weather that we've been having so far this weekend, it's going to continue on to the beginning of next week. But temperatures, we were at 80 today. We're back down to the upper 50s here in Madison. 59 is where we're at, 49 in Watertown as well as Lone Rock. Contrast that with 63 in Mineral Point, and everyone else pretty much everywhere in between at this hour. Now, as far as the remainder of the Midwest, everyone is going to sink in temperatures. Most of us are in the mid 60s. Minneapolis is at 63, 66 in Fargo, 59 in Chicago. And the reason why we're going to fall is because look at that. Radar and satellite composite shows clear skies throughout the upper Midwest, and that's thanks in large part to high pressure that's going to move into the upper Great Lakes later on this evening. So this is what we're looking at for tonight. Harvest moon out there. The full moon closest to the autumnal equinox. Beautiful clear sky out there, so get out and enjoy it. It's a very lovely evening. Now for your Sunday, that high pressure that I just mentioned, upper Great Lakes. It's going to provide a northeasterly flow, bring us a few clouds off of Lake Michigan as well as a cooling wind. So all those 80s that we felt today in upper 70s, they're going to get pushed further to the west in Minnesota and Iowa. Now when you wake up tomorrow, mid 40s for your morning lows, anywhere you see the shade of blue and throughout the central state of Wisconsin. But then by the afternoon, it's that northeasterly flow off of Lake Michigan, providing for us 60s on the lakeshore, 70s in the state of Wisconsin itself. And again, you have to get to Minnesota or Iowa before you start to see some of those 80-degree temperatures that we saw here in the capital city today. So for tonight, mostly clear, a harvest moon, 45 the overnight low with light northeasterly winds. Tomorrow, all that northeasterly flow is going to push those 80s out of our sky and bring us some 70s. Sunny, cooler, but still mild for this time of the year. Now, as far as the remainder of your forecast goes, we're going to inch it up a little bit each day for the next few days. Plenty of sunshine to go around. But then look at Thursday and Friday. Cold front moves through, and it's going to bring us back to more seasonal-like conditions after a brief round of rain on Thursday. Stay tuned. Sports is coming up next.